Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn up the notifications on so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply some moisturizer on your face, and the moisturizer that I'm using is by Avenue. So the next thing you want to use is a dip brow, and you want to apply that to your eyebrows. But the first thing you want to use are these brushes to do your eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and brush them first. And the dip brow that I'm using is by Anastasia, and it's in the color medium brown. And I'm going to go ahead and line my eyebrows first. After you're done lining your eyebrows, you want to go ahead and fill them in. After you're done doing your eyebrows, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove the lines in front of your eyebrows. And now you want to go ahead and use some concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is by Tarte, and it's the color Light, and you want to go ahead and apply that to your eyebrows. The next thing you want to use is a beauty blender, and you want to go ahead and blend out all the concealer out. The next thing you want to use is a gel, and the gel that I'm using is by NYX. And now you want to get into eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is by James Charles. And I'm going to be using this brush right here, and the color that I'm going to be using is this yellow color shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply some tape before putting on the eyeshadow on your eyes. And the next color that I'm going to be using is this orange color shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. The next color that I'm going to be using is this light red color shade, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease using that brush. And now I'm going to be using this dark red color shade, and I'm just going to use that brush to dip into the crease. Now you want to go ahead and use a concealer and apply that to the lid to do a half cut crease. The next color that I'm going to be using is this gold shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that to the lid using this brush. And now I'm going to be using this other palette, and I'm just going to use this gold shimmer shade and apply that to the lid. And now you want to go ahead and use the brush that you used before, and you just want to apply the same colors under your eyes. And now you just want to go ahead and take off the tape. And now you want to go ahead and apply some foundation using this flat brush, and the foundation that I'm using is by Benefit, and it is the color AF01. And now you want to go ahead and use a beauty blender to blend out all the foundation. And now you want to go ahead and apply some concealer under your eyes and your chin and your forehead. And then you just want to go ahead and blend out all the concealer out. And now you want to go ahead and use a setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm using is by Airspun, and you just want to go ahead and pat it first and use this brush to apply where you have all the concealer. And now you want to go ahead and start bronzing your face, and the bronzer that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. And now you want to go ahead and use a setting powder and just pat it, and use a beauty blender and apply that under your bronzer. And now you want to go ahead and use this brush to blend out all the powder out. And now what we want to use is a beauty blender to blend out all the bronzer out. And now what we want to use is a blush, and the blush that I'm using is by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be using this fluffy brush to apply that to my cheekbones. And now you want to go ahead and get into a highlight, and the highlight that I'm using is this gold shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, and the highlight that I'm using is by Revolution. And then you want to go ahead and add a little highlight to your eyebrows and your nose. And now you want to go ahead and use a mascara and apply it to your lashes, and the mascara that I'm using is by Big Shots. And then you just want to let it dry for a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. here they are, as you can see. Yes, this lash is popping. And now you want to go ahead and use this light lip color shade, and you want to apply that to the line of your lips. And then you want to use this light nude lipstick color and apply it to your lips. And now, as you can see, this is how my makeup looks like, and I'll be using the setting spray and just apply it to my face and then let it dry. So as you can see, I just finished doing my hair and my makeup. So if you guys love this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn notifications on so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. And the post notification shout out goes to my best friend Alyssa. So her YouTube username is Pretty Girl, but her real name is Alyssa, which is my best friend. I appreciate all the love and support that you give me. I honestly love you so much. If you're watching this, like, I love you so much, girl. And to get a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe, turn on post notifications on, and comment when I'm done. Like, that's that simple, like, simple and easy, you feel me? But like, bro, like, comment down below if you like really like this makeup look, because I honestly love it. I think it looks super pretty and I love it. And I just curled my hair a little bit, add some like waves to it, like volume to it, you get me? So like, I honestly love it. Like, just comment if you guys really love this look, because I did this look for you guys. If you really wanna, you could wear this look anywhere. Like, if you were to go out to a party or go to something, a special occasion, whatever, like something like that, or to a birthday party, you know, you feel me? Like, I honestly love this look, to be honest. So yeah, I'm really loving the outfit I'm wearing today. If you're wondering, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how my outfit looks. So this is how my outfit looks like. It just looks so nice. This is the end of this video. So like I said, if you really enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time.